Hey, I love you. Mwah.
Every day, millions of people leave their homes expecting to return just a few hours later. They head to work, visit friends, celebrate birthdays, or simply enjoy the things they love. For most, it's just another ordinary day. But for some families, those routine moments become the last time they ever see someone they love alive.
Hi, Mom. Love you. Have a good day.
In today's video, we'll share the stories of two people whose lives were cut tragically short before they could make it back home. Their stories are different, but they serve as a powerful reminder of how quickly life can change and why every moment with people we care about is truly a gift. These are two stories of people who never made it back home. Our first story takes us to Memphis, Tennessee. This is Marcello Shaw. His friends called him Cello. Marcello loved motorcycles and owned his own towing and transport business. Friends and family knew him as someone who had a passion for riding. On the night of August 3rd, 2026, Marcello left a friend's house on his motorcycle. Tragically, it would be the last time anyone would see him alive. Reports indicate that Marcello lost his life while doing what he loved the most, riding his motorcycle. What makes the story even more heartbreaking is that he survived a serious motorcycle crash about a year earlier. Despite that experience, his love for riding never faded. Sadly, this would be the night Marcello would not make it back home. Our thoughts and condolences go out to Marcello's family, friends, and everyone whose lives he touched. Our next story brings us to Mobile, Alabama. This is Keyonte Mingo. Keyonte was just 17 years old and was on his way to celebrate his birthday during the 4th of July weekend. Dressed for the occasion with a fresh haircut, he appeared excited for what should have been a memorable night with friends and loved ones. Instead, the celebration ended in tragedy.
A day that started in excitement.
And he texts me like 5 or 6 text messages, tomorrow my birthday, tomorrow my birthday, tomorrow. It's like, I know when your birthday is.
Turned into a nightmare no parent should have to ever face.
According to his family, Keyonte was killed in an act of gun violence after his own birthday party.
Police say Mingo was riding in a vehicle with others when the automobile was struck with gunfire.
In days that followed, his mother shared Ring Doorbell footage of him leaving home that day. A final glimpse of her son before he never returned.
I was like, Keyonte, when you leave, lock the door.
A video from their Ring camera capturing the last time Takesha Mingo White saw her son Keyonte alive, walking out of their home before heading into what was supposed to be a night of celebration with friends for his 17th birthday.
I just so happened to go down my Ring camera and just to see my baby like in action, just leaving and just knowing he wasn't never coming back. That was, yeah.
2 days after the shooting near Government and Bayou Streets, police announced an arrest. This is 19-year-old Demetrius Jackson.
It's a heartbreaking reminder for many families. Ordinary moments can unknowingly become their final memories together.
It was full of life, man.
For Keyonte's parents, their arrest brings a mix of emotions. Relief of a quick arrest and someone being held accountable, but pain that their son's life was taken far too soon.
I mean, it served justice, but like I said, you still have to deal with the consequences after.
These stories are difficult, but they share the same painful ending. Two people left home expecting to return, and two families were forced to face an unimaginable loss. Life can change in an instant. None of us knows what tomorrow holds or whether the goodbye we say today will be our last. If there's one lesson these stories leave behind, it's to cherish people you love, value the time you have together, and never take another day for granted. These are two stories of people who never made it back home.